Linking your bank account to your 3dcart store is essential for managing transactions and receiving payments. Follow these steps to set up your bank account successfully. Step 1. Log into your 3dcart account. Access your 3dcart admin panel by entering your credentials. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to make changes to the payment settings. Step 2. Navigate to payment settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Select bank account payment method. In the payment settings, look for the option to add a new payment method. Choose bank account or ACH as your payment option. This will allow you to link your bank account for transactions. Step 4. Enter your bank account details. Fill in the required fields with your bank account information, including your account number, routing number, and any other requested details. Ensure that all information is accurate to avoid issues with transactions. Step 5. Save and test the connection. After entering your bank details, click Save to store the information. It is advisable to run a test transaction to confirm that your bank account is linked correctly and functioning as expected. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account should be successfully linked to your 3dcart store, allowing you to manage payments efficiently. If you encounter any issues, refer to 3dcart support resources for assistance.